I think Reset Connect's a really important event because it's carved out a niche and in an area that was really missing. To have a dedicated exhibition to sustainability, or sustainability is used often, but this exhibition is really bringing people together and it leads in that movement to really make a measured change. And it wasn't there before, and it's amazing how much it's grown in just a year.
We've been having a fantastic time, and literally, as you can probably hear, my voice is already going. This is lunchtime on day one. I've spent the entire day talking to lots of very knowledgeable and very interested people from all different backgrounds. So it's a very successful event.
The collaboration is really good, and you really don't know who you come across and who you actually speak, and how you can provide something to benefit them, but at the same time you can gain something from every speaker, every visitor you are interacting with.
Reset Connect is a fantastic forum for both business, government and policymakers like myself to come together, to also meet sort of not-for-profit agencies, to understand what are the challenges that we need to solve together and to collaborate together. And that's absolutely critical. And the message I've received from attending Reset Connect today is that it is this crucible where we can come together, we can talk about the problems, but also we can start setting out potential opportunities to solve those problems, to come up with the solutions that will be needed, and to really start that thinking now today.